Today we have this 2021 Chevy Silverado in for a full exterior detail. Along with that, we're going to showcase some of our products that we sell here at Vetting Customs. Alright, today we're going to start out with WABAM Whiteout. All these products that we'll be going through how-to videos are sold right here at Vetting Customs. So with the whiteout, you can use it in a foam cannon or apply right to your wash mitt. But for the foam cannon, the ratio they want is about 3 squirts. And then you fill the rest up with, I normally fill it up with hot water, but it really doesn't matter. And obviously we rinse the vehicle first. I'm obviously applying it with a pressure washer, but like I said, you can use a hose and a wash mitt too. The pressure washer gun and stuff I recommend too, and we could sell you at Vetting Customs as well. Now obviously we'll mitt it. I usually put a little bit of it on the mitt, and then we'll rinse after we mitt the whole truck. Alright, next, after we wash it with whiteout, we'll go with the WABAM slash and clean the wheels and tires. For this, just give it a good coat on the tire and the rim. This is also sold here at Vetting. Now once you're done scrubbing, just rinse it off. How'd I turn the pressure washer off? Okay, now once you're done scrubbing, rinse it off. Alright, for the wheel wells, I recommend the WABAM Blast. Our fall off degreaser can also be used for it, but since it's a newer Silverado and it has the carpeted wheel wells, this works well because it foams up. Spray that all over, and then I have a detail brush, but also a mitt works as well. Now, like the others, once you scrub it up good, just rinse it off. I also forgot to mention with the Blast, it is an all-purpose cleaner, so anything on your vehicle, if you want to use it on, even at home to degrease, or any uses you want to use it for, also sold here at Vetting Customs. Now that we use the whiteout to wash the vehicle and scrub the wheels and tires, we'll apply this WABAM Nitro. It repels the water and gives it a coating to help repel the dirt as well. Like the whiteout, we'll just put 3 squirts in and fill the rest up with water. Unlike the whiteout, this you have to use a foam cannon for. The nitro, you'll see, like I said, the repellent of the water, it'll bead off as you rinse. let you know, the truck came in and it's newer, so it's not super dirty, but the products do work really well. And the floor mats cover most of the floor, so it catches most of the dirt, and it was vacuumed off camera. Now to put the finishing touch on, we'll apply this SicRigz spray wax. They have two versions. The white one here is a ceramic, but we'll only demonstrate this one because you apply them and wipe them off the same way. I recommend when you do it to have two different rigs, one to wipe off the excess and then the other one to do your final wipe. Just kind of mist it on. And like I said, just use this one for your final wipe. And there. Moves any water spots from when you washed it and gives it a nice shine. This VPR SicRigz works really well for tonneau covers, trim pieces. You can even use it on your tires if you like. It also protects from UV rays. And then to apply it, just spray it on it, kind of wipe it in with a microfiber. Now we'll demonstrate how to use the WABAM glass cleaner. With that, we also have the WABAM towels to wipe it off with. To apply, just spray a couple sprays on the window. You don't need a ton. And then wipe it off thoroughly. Make sure you get in the corners of the glass.